I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is the 3-inch plate. It gets 4 holes drilled through this smaller plate, which gets welded on the end. And then these 2 plates get matching holes drilled in them so that the bolts can go through and draw the whole thing together. But I'm going to drill the small one first. I'm going to put a 1/2-inch hole through the center and then 4 5/16 holes around the outside. Actually, they're going to be the clearance hole size for 5/16, which is 21/64. So 1/2-inch hole in the center, 4 21/64 holes around the outside. But before I do the 1/2-inch hole, I'm going to go ahead and drill a smaller hole in there just so I'm not overloading the drill press. With the 5/16 bolt in there to act as an alignment pin, that's going to keep the stack in line, so I can go ahead and drill all of the other 3 holes and have everything lined up. Okay, got all 4 holes lined up, drilled. I'm going to go through and stamp these plates so that I keep the alignment. That way I don't have to worry about whether I've got the holes clocked correctly or not. Phew! Whole lot of putting on today and a whole lot of taking off. I think it's going to be okay. After it cools off a little bit, I'll take it out and try it in the stone. Trial fit. Success. I think it's going to work. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union. without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.